Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make milk barfi. It's a Bangladeshi or Indian sweets. So here's the recipe. It's a very simple recipe. So first, in a warm pan you have to put some sugar and then add full cream and mix it together like this. Mix it until it gets harder. It's a very simple dish, guys. Just try it at home. You can say दूध का barfi or milk barfi or shandesh. You can name it anything. It's a very simple ingredient sweet dish. So as you can see, I'm mixing together. And now add some powder milk. I used to eat powder milk raw all the time in my whole life. I love powder milk, and this powder milk actually helped this dish to be thickened, because it have to be thick and hard enough to make so that you can cut like a cake, and it will be a little bit harder, not soft. And now you have to add some ghee. It's a desi ghee, but if you don't have ghee, then you can add some butter as well. It's a very simple dish, guys. As you know, I put some sugar and then cream. That was a full cream milk, and then you have to add some powder milk and this ghee, or if you don't have ghee you can add butter as well. So you can see it's already getting a lot more thicker. It's a simple dish, but it takes a lot of time to just stir it well. Your hand will be like in pain because the temperature is quite low. You cannot put in high temperature. So I'm adding some vanilla extract. It is not necessary, but if you want, if you like the smell of vanilla, you can add. But if you don't like the smell of vanilla, then you don't have to. In this situation, you can add food color or any kind of extract. If you want to add, you can add. So we are almost there. It is almost ready. So in this pan, it is a oven pan, as you can see. So now, because it will get hard very soon, so you have to do it very fast. As you can see that it's already getting hard, so I didn't get like time to make it in whole pan. So this is the dish. You can decorate it with some pistachio or any kind of nuts, cashew nuts or pistachio, any kind of it. and then you can cut in a small slice, and then you are ready to go. So it's a very 5-minute dish, like 5 minute, maybe it's 10 to 15 minutes, not too long. All the time goes in stirring. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and please try to make it at home and let me know in the comment below, and tell me how it tastes. If you are a sugar craver, if you like sugar, you can try it. I love sugar. So after all the decoration, you have to cut this in a small piece like this. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.